Will AI take our jobs, or is it the ultimate force multiplier for the software industry? This is the great coding paradox. For years, headlines have predicted the end of the programmer. But history and economics tell a different story. In reality, we are entering an era of unprecedented demand for software expertise. Here's why. To understand the future, we look back to 1865 and an economist named William Stanley Jevons. Jevons observed that as coal became more efficient, we didn't use less of it, we used more. Much more. Because the demand for energy was elastic, lower costs unlocked thousands of new ways to use it. Software is the coal of the 21st century. As AI makes code cheaper to produce, the world's appetite for it becomes infinite. This is latent demand. Projects that were once too expensive or slow to build are suddenly viable. We've seen this before. When compilers and high-level languages were invented, people feared they'd replace manual coders. Instead, they made programming accessible, creating millions of new jobs in fields that didn't even exist before. Data from GitHub and Microsoft shows that AI tools like Copilot help developers complete tasks up to 55% faster. But coding is just one task. When you automate the how, you free up engineers to focus on the what and why. AI is also unlocking decades of tech debt. Refactoring old systems is now economically feasible, requiring human oversight. This shift is giving birth to entirely new job categories, roles we are only beginning to define. Meet the AI orchestrator, engineers who don't just write code, but manage complex networks of AI agents, and context engineers, who ensure AI systems have the memory and business logic to solve specific real-world problems. We also need AI reliability engineers to ensure these systems stay stable, unbiased, and compliant with regulations. While AI generates code quickly, it introduces a verification tax. Humans are now the ultimate arbiters of truth and quality. The skill set is shifting. Manual implementation is declining, while strategic thinking and architecture are skyrocketing in value. Product engineering is the new standard. Developers are becoming product owners, focused on creating value rather than just lines of code. The labor market reflects this. Projections show software development jobs growing by nearly 18% over the next decade. And those with AI skills are seeing significant wage premiums, sometimes double the growth of traditional roles. The global software market is expected to grow by 20% annually as every industry becomes an AI industry. 86% of business leaders expect AI to transform their operations, creating a massive pipeline of engineering work. The entry level is changing too. Companies now expect juniors to be AI augmented from day one, focusing on logic earlier in their careers. We aren't just building faster, we're building things we couldn't even imagine 5 years ago. This is the efficiency loop. Every time we make it easier to build software, we find more things that need to be built. AI isn't replacing the programmer, it's giving the programmer a bigger lever to move the world. At the center of this revolution is human judgment, creativity, and the ability to solve complex problems. Collaboration is key. AI handles the syntax, so humans can handle the synergy. The world has an infinite backlog of problems. Software is the primary way we solve them. As systems scale, the complexity of maintaining and securing them grows exponentially, demanding more engineers, not fewer. We are also entering an ethical frontier where engineers must ensure AI serves humanity fairly and transparently. The role requires continuous learning. 80% of the workforce will need to upskill by 2027 to stay relevant. The identity of the coder is evolving into the software orchestrator, the architect of the digital age. To recap, the Jevons Paradox proves that efficiency leads to higher consumption when demand is elastic. Labor data proves that AI-exposed roles are growing faster and paying more. The question isn't whether AI will take your job. It's whether you're ready to lead the next generation of software creation. The future of programming isn't just about code. It's about what you can build when the limits are gone. Join the revolution. The era of the software orchestrator has arrived. This revolution is powered by the community. Open source collaboration is scaling faster than ever, with AI as the common language. The code of the future isn't just written, it's imagined. Are you ready to build?